Changing your mindset can completely change your life. What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons here, coming to you with another video. I'm gonna tell you this, man. Changing your mindset can completely change your life. And I know because I did it, okay? I'm trying to tell y'all this now. Listen to me. I've always been into entrepreneurship. That's something that was always in me. I'm a rebel. I always go against the grain. I didn't make good grades in school. I tried to, I did so much different stuff, right? I've been doing business since I was 19. I'm 30 now, okay? But stuff didn't really start to click for me until I started entering some mindset training. When I started separating myself, okay? And when I started, doing things that nobody else was doing. First of all, just the thought process of alone for me to even think that owning a business was possible for me, that alone separated me from everybody else that's from where I'm from that I knew, okay? And it's simply because, just because I thought it was possible for me, that led me to actually going to seek out how to do it. See, a lot of people don't even think it's possible for them. Therefore, they won't even seek it out. So they damn sure not taking the action to do it, and it doesn't get done. And they repeat the same cycle that came before the generation before them, that came before the generation before them. And that's how you got generational poverty, okay? And so you get a guy like me that comes along and then I say, okay, well, I'm finna change it because I feel like I can do it. Okay, so just that alone is a mindset thing. If you got in your mind that only a certain type of people can get a certain type of thing, okay, then that's exactly what's going to happen. So if you sitting there and you think, oh, well, I'm starting a cleaning company but I understand that I'm black, so it ain't going to grow but so far, or I can't get government contracts, or since I'm from here, like any type of thought process that goes through your mind like that, that's a poverty mindset, and you got to change it, okay? I'm going to tell y'all, when stuff started to change for me was when I first heard Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. If you're not a reader, don't worry. You can work and listen to the audio book. It's on YouTube. I actually got it on my channel. Type in Think and Grow Rich AJ Simmons, and it'll come right up, all right? Listen to that audio book. It'll really change your mind and help you to realize that you probably have some limiting beliefs that's holding you back. I still struggle with it a lot, like when it comes to the confidence portion of it, okay? I'm still working on it myself, but we all have to be reminded, we all are students, we all got to grow. But the key is to actually take the action and don't take the steps to grow, okay? You're listening to this video, so that's a good step right there, all right? But you got to keep it going. You have to constantly, like I'm listening to Les Brown almost every morning, or somebody on Evan Carmichael's channel, okay, watching top 10s from The Rock Johnson, listening to Will Smith, listening to Kevin Hart, listening to Steve Harvey, all of these great people that came before me who are leaving clues and gems and, all type of stuff in their interviews that I can take and I can learn from to remind myself as I'm climbing on my journey, okay? But you have to change your mindset first, man. I see so many people who just give up and smoke weed all day, drink all day, sit in the hood all day, hang with the same people all day, and they think it's cool because, they hear that on the rap songs and they say, oh, I ain't switching up, I'm still with my same friends. If you still with your same friends and them same friends broke, then you need some new friends. That's nothing to brag about. I'm trying to tell you this. And it's like, oh, wait, everything ain't about money. No, everything ain't about money, but most of it is. Okay, money can definitely change your life, all right? And so if you're not on that, then you ain't gonna win in business. You have to understand that you can't let emotional decisions affect your business either. You can't hire people just because you know them if you know that they don't have the skill to succeed in your company. If you got people working for you right now that you only have them working for you just because you know them and you know they're not that good, maybe today is the day that you need to let their ass go. All right? You need to let them go because they holding you back. You so busy trying to drag your team with you, put your whole team on when your whole team might not even be worth it. Okay? What's for you is for you. But what you got to learn how to do is elevate your mind and understand how to think on a different level. If you've been listening to my channel for a year now and you waiting to start your cleaning company, you wait for the right time, that's a mindset issue. That's not a money issue. That's not a money issue. It don't cost you too much money to go print out some flyers and go door to door and figure it out. It don't cost you too much money that if you ain't got no cleaning supplies to partner with another cleaning company and ask them if you can just take 10% off the top if you find the contracts for them. It don't take you no time to go get a part-time job working for a cleaning company so you get your experience up, and then every dime that you make from that part-time cleaning gig, you put it in a bank account so you can save up and buy that starter kit I got. And then get you some lead generation from the lead generation service and go get you some of your own accounts. It don't take nothing. It don't like, come on, man. What's that, 4 paychecks to go get that starter kit? If you go work a part-time job, you know what I mean? Like, you have to change your mindset. Whatever you want in this world, you can have it. And I'm just trying to tell you that I know, because I'm doing it every day. I'm doing the shit that I'm doing. I didn't have anybody to tell me how to do nothing. My mama was an entrepreneur. She told me, she laughed at me when and I love my mama to death, and my mama is great. She did the best she could with 3 badass kids by herself, okay? You know, my daddy left us and she did an excellent job. But my mama ain't no shit about entrepreneurship, and she laughed at me when I used to tell her some of my dreams. I mean, she told me I need to chill out and just work a regular job. She told me she could see me being a manager at a retail store or something. You know what I mean? But that was her vision, and I respected that. You know what I mean? But it was like, you know, I had to go out and I had to show who I was and what I saw in myself. And then over time, guess what? Now everybody comes to me, invite my whole family. At first, nobody paid me any attention. You know what I mean? Now all of a sudden, I'm the guru of the family. Now everybody comes to me whenever they want to start a business, whenever they want to open a, you know, anything that's interesting. But all of that came from me just believing that I could do it too. Not putting in my head after people would tell me, oh, you ain't got the right skin color, don't even worry about business. You know what I mean? Like, if you let the people tell you that type of stuff, that will stop you. If you're gonna let them hold you back just off of their limiting beliefs, then you might as well quit now. You have to change your mindset. You have to, especially now that the internet exists, because ain't no more gatekeepers, man. Ain't no old white guy sitting in nobody corporate office no more. And they probably won't even there to begin with, but you know, whether they was or they won't, they damn sure ain't now, not with the internet, because nobody can tell. Nobody can tell, okay? Nobody can tell who's doing it. And then fuck it, if you feel like it is a certain way, certain thing that, oh, well, I can't grow because I'm me. Well, hire somebody else who can do it then. Okay, hire somebody else who can go out door to door and knock on them doors for you. I had a consultant call the other day, and somebody was telling me how they didn't feel like, they felt like they had an intimidating presence, a big guy. And he was saying he had an intimidating presence. I said, okay, well, you got a fiance, you got a wife, a cousin, a sister, somebody you can send out there for you. Find somebody to work on commission and do outside sales for you. Figure it out, though. That's the key. Just figure it out, man. Stop looking to other people to save you. Stop thinking that you're going to get a handout. It's going to be a bitch, man. It's going to be a bitch, but you got to work through it, and you got to always elevate your mind. You have to, man. So that's all I came here today, man. That's all I came to say to y'all today. Change your mind first. I'm only doing stuff that I wanted to do. I'm only doing the stuff that I'm able to do because I had the mindset to do it first. That's it. That's it. I'm only able to open up a cleaning company and grow it so fast because I had the mindset that I was able to do it. I could have quit after the first franchise I bought and said, oh no, I tried that before, that didn't work. And then I said, no, I tried it before and it didn't work because I suck. I took accountability, I took responsibility, and I learned from my mistakes, and I said, but this time I'm gonna get it. And I believed it in myself to be able to do it, and then I mastered it the next time around. Okay, then I said, you know what, I'm gonna upload some YouTube videos about it because I see they giving out YouTube checks too. All you gotta do is get enough viewers on them videos and you can get the money from that too. And what you think I did? I turned around and I did that, and I believed that I could do it. Then what did I do? I wrote an ebook and I said, okay, they're giving out Amazon checks for people who just type up a book on Microsoft Word, upload that ebook and publish it, and they're gonna call that a book, and all you did was type up a long ass essay basically on your experience, and you can get paid for that. That's residual money. Guess what? I believed that I can do it, and I did it. Then I said, I heard about this Shopify thing. Okay, I heard about Shopify and they put me in, and I learned about that. I did some videos and I said, okay, I need some products, and I started making some products, and it was taking me hours and hours at a time to make these things, but I put my effort and my energy to it. I believed that I can do it. I put it on Shopify, created a store, learned how to buy a domain name, learned how to build websites myself. All of this stuff, all because I believed that I could do it. So if it's not working for you, then you might need to look at, do you even believe that it's possible for you? Or are you too busy listening to people who never even constructed anything? You can't take constructive criticism from people who never constructed nothing. Okay? Believe in yourself. Elevate your mind. Listen to people who are accomplishing things and who have already accomplished things. Stop listening to the same stuff. Even on YouTube, it might not even be people in your life. It might be people that's on YouTube that you're listening to that ain't preaching nothing that's progressive for you. Okay? If you're spending all your time watching TV or watching comedy videos online, gossip videos, like you can't be listening to... How you got time to listen to somebody else's business and you ain't even got your business going yet? You don't have time for that. All right? So make your change today. Do what you got to do. Elevate your mind. If you need more customers for your cleaning company, make sure you go to cleanbiznetwork.com and look at our lead generation program. We can get you rolling. All right, but it's time to change that. Elevate your mind, elevate your thoughts, think positive, believe in yourself. I'm AJ Simmons. Thank y'all.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans, that look like that bitch be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Fuck I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show. Look what you asking for, trying to buy a whole yacht. Me on the other hand, I'm trying to buy a whole lot, so I can sell them bitches. Young businessman, that's why I used to drop pounds, no fitness plan. Yeah, and some get it with a bachelor. Me, I flip money, other dudes flip spatulas. But it's all good, get it how you live. Gotta build an empire for your grandkids, kids. Now can I live?